Hi guys, I'm Stanley and this is my first time recording from this new app that I downloaded. It's called SB White Noise Box, the Spirit Box app, and I'm here to check if it actually works. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to listen in on the Spirit Box and see if anything pops up. If you hear something that I don't hear, please comment down below. I'm starting our own YouTube channel that will be called Gemini. So please like and subscribe if you find this video interesting. There it goes. Are there any spirits present? If there are any spirits present, how many spirits are present? Okay, let me just show you the setup is in my room for protection. Okay, I got a guitar over here. Let's open the Ayatul Kursi and it reads, Allah, there is no God but He, the living, the self-existing, eternal. No slumber can seize Him, nor sleep. These are all things in the heavens and on earth. Who is there can intercede in His presence except that He permits? He knows what appears to His creatures as before, after, or behind them. Nor shall they compart aught of His knowledge, except as He wills. His throne does extend over the heavens and the earth. He feels no fatigue in guarding and preserving them, for He is the Most High, the Supreme in glory. And over here I have the Bible. So I'm using 2 faiths to keep myself safe from all spirits. And it's open up, the Bible is open up at Psalms 23, and it reads as follows. The Lord, our shepherd. The Lord is my shepherd. I have everything I need. He lets me rest in fields of green grass and leads me to quiet pools of fresh water. He gives me strength. He guides me in the right path as He has promised. Okay, my white noise box has stopped. I'm not sure why. I'm just gonna continue reading further. He guides me in the right paths as He has promised. Even if I go through the deepest darkness, I'll not be afraid, Lord, for You are with me. Your shepherd's rod and staff protect me. You prepare a banquet for me where all my enemies can see me. You welcome me as an honored guest and fill my cup to the brim. I know that Your goodness and love will be with me all my life, and Your house will be my home as long as I live. Amen. Okay, I'm not sure why white noise boxes, stop it. In my next video, I'll continue my research in seeing if there are any spirits out there. Peace, love, unity, respect. Love. Gemini out.